Pilayo.
Mami! Oy!
Ne, sino daw pinaka-chismosa?
Evelyn, maghintay-hintay ka na lang. Ito na ang Prince Charming.
So won't you please no, don't feel sorry. You don't even care. Ooh, baby, you don't even care. You know that I need your love. You don't have to be so proud.
Kinakabahang excited. Oh. Pero, kaya-kaya yan!
Gave you love without a makeup. Lasting on my mind was a breakup. I believe you can see through me. Oh, won't you please no, don't feel sorry. You don't even care. Ooh, baby, you don't even care. You know that I need your love. You don't have to be so proud. Just don't care. Please, I'm begging you. Come into the.
Hi, B. Time flies so fast. Year 2018, you're planning to meet me at SM San Pablo, wearing floral polo shirt. 1 year courting is not easy. Kahit pagod ka sa work, you make time to prove kung gaano ka kadesidido. Fast forward. Now, 4 years and 7 months.
Like a big yellow comet across
Sobra-sobra akong nagpapasalamat sa Panginoon sa pagsagot niya sa panalangin ko. At ito ang pagtayo ngayon dito sa harap ng altar kasama ka.
Hawakan niyo ang inyong puso. Tandaan niyo, nangako kayong dalawa that you would love one another for the rest of your life.
But I've been searching for something. It's been so long.
Year 2022, we're traveling Bohol with my friends. Siyempre, di mawawala ang charge tour. Bago kami umalis ng hotel, I'm praying and humingi ako ng sign kay Lord. Sabi ko, pag may kinakasal sa simbahan na pupuntahan namin, ikaw ang nilaan niya para sa akin. And who would have thought na ang saradong simbahan ay may kinakasal pala sa loob? Woo!
Just can't help
Salamat sa 4 na taon, ngayon panghabang buhay na. At nangangakong mamahalin, aalagaan, susuportahan, iintindihin kahit sobrang toyoin.
Tayo ay iisa na. Sabay nating buuin ang ating mga pangarap sa ating mabubuong pamilya kasama ang poong may kapal. Susuportahan ka at iingatan. Mahal kita palagi, lumipas man ang araw, buwan at taon, ikaw lang palagi.
Thousand birds caught in my chest.
B, pangako ko sa iyo, sabay tayong tatanda kahit magkauban na at sabay maglilingkod sa ating Ama na sa taas. At meron nag-iisang bugi na nagpapaalala na nagmamahal at mamahalin ka pang habang buhay. I love you, B. Mrs. Lapitan.